This is Let's Unpack with Lou. Here you get everything and anything Eastern Cape politics, business, youth development, and everything eyakhayo ngephondo lethu leMpuma Koloni. Dimke, the principal reporter, and I officially invite you to my podcast. Please don't forget to click to subscribe, share the videos, and get your friends to be subscribers. I want to welcome you officially to the community of Ubudlu, and I also want to invite you, Matuta. Ndifuna uni-invite. Look, I'm not funded, I'm independent. And as is manga, for that matter, they don't fund me, they don't do anything for me. So you might wanna not just subscribe, you might wanna become a member of the Budlu community. How you member the Budlu community? It means that you can't do any rand money. You can't do any rand or you donate to Budlu's podcast. You understand? So that I be diesel. You figure that when until I be plane so that my costs are covered. I been there and in passing. Otherwise, social media. So I don't want to ask of you. I don't want to ask, I don't want to beg. I'm going to do my thing. Oh, one of the things I've been meaning to say. Look, I'm not in the business of being liked. Look, I am not in the business of being liked by people. I hope we are clear. Into ndiyiqapheleyo kule 2 years ndingubudlu abantu bayathanda ukuthukisa bathethe baphinde bazicenge bandithande. I'm not in the business of being liked by you here. I'm not in the business of being liked by anyone. I'm here to do my part. I'm here to do my work. Do you understand? So asizube sicengana ke apha but inhlonipho yona nto funeka ibe phambili. We're going to respect each other. But I'm not here to be liked by you. I don't want that thing of being bullied on social media. People creating images of me and wanting me to go. I don't want that. But I'm sure they understand. I'm sure they understand. And if you bullish and this will social media, we only have 3 months. It's now July, August, September, October. Sifikile kuvoto lo masipala lasekuhlaleni. Imadoda sizaba busy. We are gonna be very busy. Fikile ke ndigalelekile apha ephondweni. Ngoku yabona as we speak ndizawuqala iphondo. Xa uphuma eKZN ungena ephondweni. Ndiyoqhina xa uphuma ephondweni ungena eWestern Cape eGarden Route. Uphume ndithi xa uphuma ephondweni ungena eFree State pha eWalter Sisulu. Kuzawuba busy.